Okay, coterminal angles. If you have an angle like 285 degrees, if you turn 285 degrees to the right, or if you spin in a circle 360 degrees and then keep going another 285 to the right, no one can tell the difference. That's what we mean by a coterminal angle. Adding a bunch of 360s to an angle really makes no difference because complete circles don't change your facing. So if we do 285 plus 360, we get, what is that, 645 degrees? That angle is coterminal with 285. Also, if we take 285 and subtract 360 from it, we get minus 75 degrees, and that angle is also coterminal with 285. And we could keep doing this infinitely. We could do 645 plus 360 equals 1005 degrees. That's also coterminal with 285. And you could add 360 or subtract 360 as many times as you like. Now, in this question, they only want angles that are in the range minus 360 to 360. So this 645 is actually too big. It is coterminal, but it's higher than they wanted. Minus 75, though, is perfectly good. That's a coterminal angle, and it's acceptable to them. Can we do another one? If we do minus 75 and take another 360 off it, well, we get minus 435. And that's actually too low. They only wanted us to go down to minus 360. So that is coterminal, but not in the range they wanted. The only acceptable answer for this one is minus 75. If you want a general version for this, then it would be 285 plus 360 n times. And to be complete about this, we should say an n is an integer. That means we can add 360 0 times, or 1 time, or 2 times, or 3 times, or minus 1 times, or minus 2 times, and so on. It means any integer multiple of 360. Okay, so minus 13, if you add 360 to it, gives you positive 347 degrees. That's in the minus 360 to 360 domain they wanted, so that answer is good. I know this one isn't going to work, but just to show you, you could add 360 again and get another coterminal angle, which is 707 degrees. Too high, so we reject that. Going in the other direction, we could take minus 13 minus 360 and get minus 373 degrees. That's another coterminal angle, but it's too low, so we can't keep that one either. In this case, the only coterminal angle that they'll accept is 347, and in general, the solutions are going to be 13 plus 360n, where n is an integer. Some people write n times 360, which is perfectly fine as well. Now, 395, this is already too high. It's already over 360 degrees, so adding 360 won't get me anywhere. You'd add 360 and you'd get, what, 765 degrees, which is way over the limit. But if we take 395 and knock 360 degrees off it, we get 35 degrees, which is a perfectly good coterminal angle. We can take 35 degrees and take another 360 off it, and we get minus 325 degrees, which again is in our domain. It's in the minus 360 to 360 range, and I'm pretty sure this one isn't going to work, but just for fun, if we take another 360 off it, we get minus 685, which is a perfectly nice coterminal angle, but it is not in the domain that they said, so we'll throw that one out.